Inhale, press down through your hands. Exhale, step your right foot back to downward facing dog pose. Come high up onto the balls of your feet and bend your knees. With your head between your arms, push your hips towards the rear of your mat, being careful not to tense your neck. In fact, spread the backs of your shoulders as wide as you can. Now lifting your sit bones, the bottom of your hips, straighten your knees as much as you can. If you can straighten your knees fully, stretch your heels back and down. Listen for the steady, whisper-like sound of your breath, low in the throat. This sound helps you focus on the steadiness of your breath, which is an essential part of your yoga practice. Breathe in, move your shoulders over your wrists, lifting your head to plank pose. Breathing out, draw your navel towards your spine and slide your side ribs forward to expand and lift your chest. Come to your hands and knees, moving your hands a couple of inches forward of your shoulders. Lift your head and arch your back. Breathing in, bend your elbows. Drop your chest close to the floor and slide it forward and up to cobra pose. Resting on your knees and thighs, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Steady breathing. Make space to breathe out. As you inhale, expand and lift your chest. As you exhale, draw your lower belly in and up. As you lift your side ribs and bring them forward. Your head is upright, your gaze forward and down. Breathe in, bend your elbows, come all the way down to the floor, resting your head on your hands. Separate your feet hip-width apart. And stretch your legs, especially the inner thighs, and press the tops of your feet firmly to the mat. Turning your right front thigh toward the center, breathe in and raise your leg. Breathing out, stretch the inner right leg towards your toes. Continue to breathe steadily. Lower your right leg and rest, turning the left front thigh slightly toward the center. Breathe in, raise your left leg. Breathing out, stretch the inner leg long. Don't grip your buttocks too tightly. Inhale, release. Exhale to the floor. And rest. Now place your hands on the floor under your shoulders, spreading your fingers wide and bringing your elbows in. Again, press your feet to the mat to ground your pose. Inhale, open and lift your chest. Breathing out, press down through your hands as you draw your belly in and up. Your arms are not quite straight. Each breath in expands your chest. Each breath out, navel in and up in cobra pose. Steady, complete out breaths. Long neck. Eyes gaze forward and slightly down. On your next out breath, draw your belly in as you come to hands and knees, curling your toes under.